Have you ever thought about how money can make more money? It's a compelling question, isn't it? And the answer is even more intriguing. Money, you see, is not just a piece of paper or a coin, but a tool, a resource that can be used to generate more wealth. This is the fundamental principle of investing, where your money can earn a return and grow over time. Consider this. When you work for money, you're trading your time for a paycheck. But what if you could reverse that equation? What if, instead of you working for money, your money could work for you? This is where the concept of passive income comes into play. Passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. It could come from investments, royalties, real estate, or even a side business. Now let's take a moment to talk about one of the most successful investors of our time, Warren Buffett. Buffett started investing at the tender age of 11, and now he's one of the wealthiest people in the world. His secret? He understood the power of money early on and harnessed it to his advantage. He invested his money wisely and let it grow over time. Buffett once famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." This sentiment underscores the importance of making your money work for you. It's not about getting rich quick or finding a magic formula. It's about understanding the power of money and using it to create a sustainable, long-term wealth strategy. So think about this. Every dollar, every penny you have can be a seed. A seed that, when planted in the right environment, can grow into a mighty tree. That tree, in turn, can bear fruit and provide shade, creating a cycle of abundance. So let's explore this concept further. Let's delve into the art of investing, the power of passive income, and the role of savings. Let's learn how to plant our money seeds and cultivate our wealth trees. And just like Warren Buffett, you too can make your money work for you. So, how does one make money from money? One word: investing. Investing, in its simplest form, is about buying assets that generate income or grow in value over time. You're essentially putting your money to work for you rather than letting it sit idle. This could be in the form of stocks, bonds, real estate, or even your own business. Now, why is investing a reliable method of growing wealth? Well, it's all about the power of compounding. When you invest, you reap returns, and when you reinvest those returns, you start earning on your earnings. This cycle, repeated over time, can lead to exponential growth of your initial investment. Let's look at Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest hedge funds. Dalio didn't amass his wealth overnight. Instead, he started with a small sum, invested it wisely, and let the power of compounding do its magic. His investment philosophy, which he calls radical transparency and radical truth, emphasizes diversification and understanding the market mechanics. Dalio's story is a testament to the fact that you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to be a successful investor. You just need to understand the basics, remain patient, and let your investments grow over time. Investing, however, is not without risks. The value of your investments can go up and down, and there's always the possibility of losing money. But as Dalio and other successful investors have shown, the potential rewards often outweigh the risks. The key is to make informed decisions, diversify your portfolio, and think long-term. So, how can you start investing? Well, there's a myriad of avenues available today. You can start investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. You can invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds. You can even invest in startup companies or cryptocurrencies. The choice depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's a tool everyone can utilize. So take control of your financial future. Start investing today and let your money work for you. For another way to make money from money, passive income. Like a river that flows incessantly, passive income represents a continuous stream of earnings that require little to no effort to maintain. It's the art of making your money work for you, even while you sleep. Now let's delve into the concept of passive income. It's essentially money you earn routinely that doesn't require your active involvement. Rather than trading your time for money, as in a traditional job, passive income is all about setting up income-generating systems that run in the background, freeing up your time. Take, for instance, Pat Flynn. A renowned entrepreneur, Flynn has successfully created multiple streams of passive income. He started with a humble blog that over time transformed into a thriving online business. From there, he ventured into podcasting, online courses, and even book publishing. Each venture was a river pouring into an ocean of wealth. But how does one begin this journey? Well, it's all about identifying opportunities. And the good news is, they're abundant. You could author a book, create an online course, or start a blog. These ventures, once set up and marketed, can continue to generate income long after the work is done. Or perhaps you'd be interested in investing in stocks or real estate. These investments, while requiring an initial outlay, can provide a steady stream of dividends or rental income. But remember, while passive income can provide financial freedom, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and sometimes initial investment. Let's not forget about Pat Flynn. His success didn't happen overnight. It was the result of careful planning, consistent effort, and a willingness to take risks. Yet the reward? Freedom. Freedom to spend your time as you wish because your financial needs are being met passively. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you're not living paycheck to paycheck, but rather building a secure financial future. Creating passive income streams can be your ticket to financial independence. Savings, the unsung hero in money-making. Let's dive into the world of savings, a crucial player in the financial game that often doesn't get the limelight it deserves. You might wonder, how does stashing away my hard-earned money make me richer? Well, the answer lies in the power of compound interest, the financial magic that turns your savings into a growing wealth snowball. Think of savings as the solid foundation upon which your financial house is built. It's a safety net that keeps you afloat during financial storms and a launchpad for your investment rocket ship. Without savings, your financial stability can crumble like a house of cards in the face of an unexpected expense or market downturn. Let's consider the story of billionaire Mark Cuban. Before he became the owner of the Dallas Mavericks and a star of Shark Tank, Cuban was a bartender in Dallas, diligently saving every penny he could. He understood that every dollar saved was not just a dollar in his pocket, but a soldier in his army of wealth creation. When the opportunity came to start his first business, MicroSolutions, he had the savings to take that leap. And the rest, as they say, is history. Saving isn't about depriving yourself of today's pleasures, but about securing your tomorrow. It's about making conscious choices to spend less than you earn and put aside a part of your income. It's about delayed gratification, understanding that the future rewards are worth the present sacrifice. Savings fuel your investments and passive income ventures. They provide the capital needed to buy assets that generate income or appreciate over time. Moreover, savings give you the financial freedom to take calculated risks, to venture into new businesses, to explore innovative investment avenues. The beauty of savings is that it's within everyone's reach. You don't need a six-figure salary to start saving. All you need is the discipline to consistently set aside a portion of your income, however small it might be. So, start your savings journey today. Let your money work for you and watch as it grows into a mountain of wealth. Remember, every penny saved is a penny that can be used to make more money. So how can you make money from money? Well, as we've journeyed through this enlightening discourse, we've discovered that there are several ways to generate wealth from the money you already have. The key lies in understanding these methods and applying them diligently and intelligently. Let's take a quick jaunt down memory lane. We began by exploring the power of money, highlighting its potential when put to good use. Money isn't just a means to purchase goods and services, it's a tool that can be wielded to create more wealth. Next, we delved into the art of investing. We learned that investing isn't just for the Wall Street wunderkinds or the Silicon Valley venture capitalists, it's for everyone. By making savvy investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even startups, you can grow your wealth exponentially. We then turned our attention to passive income streams. These are income sources that require minimal effort to maintain, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. From rental properties to dividend stocks, from creating a blog to writing a best-selling book, The possibilities are boundless. Lastly, we examined the role of savings. Saving money might not seem as glamorous as investing or generating passive income, but it plays a crucial part in wealth accumulation. Consistent savings can act as a safety net, a war chest for investments, or a fund for future needs. Now that we've recapped the main points, it's time to look forward. How can you apply these methods in your life? Start by assessing your current financial situation. Set clear, achievable financial goals. Learn about investing, explore potential passive income streams, and start saving. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Wealth accumulation is a slow, steady process. It requires patience, discipline, and resilience. But with the right strategies and a healthy dose of determination, you can make your money work for you. The power to make money from money lies in your hands. It's time to take control of your financial future.